So what is leverage? Leverage, it is a small down payment to trade or control large volumes of that currency pair you are buying or selling, right? So when it comes to leverage, it simply means that if you want to use, for example, a standard lot, which is if you want to control 100,000 units of euros when you are buying, it can be any pair, it can be USD, it can be GBP USD, it can be any pair. But a broker says to you, it's another way of a broker to say to you, put in this small amount, this percentage of money, then we're going to allow you to use, for example, a standard lot. Okay, guys. So what is leverage? Leverage, it is a small down payment to trade or control large volumes of that currency pair you are buying or selling, right? So when it comes to leverage, it simply means that if you want to use, for example, a standard lot, which is if you want to control 100,000 units of euros when you are buying, it can be any pair, it can be USD, it can be GBP USD, it can be any pair. But a broker says to you, it's another way of a broker to say to you, put in this small amount, this percentage of money, then we're going to allow you to use, for example, a standard lot, which is you only put, if, for example, you have a broker offers, because it varies from broker to broker. So if a broker, all I want here is for you to understand what is leverage and what's going on. So like I said, that if we are buying, you're basically buying 100,000 units of euros. If we have Euro USD, and then you are buying, it simply means that you're buying 100,000 units of euros and you are selling 100 and some $100. We are paying $135 to only make a profit of 500 USD. But it's not like that these days. It's like I said, that leverage, it's another way of a broker saying to you, if you want to buy 100,000 units of euros, you do not need to have $135,100 in your trading account. You need only a certain or small percentage of that much units. Then we are going to allow you to use, for example, a standard lot, which is going to help you make a lot of money with a little trades. That is what is called leverage. It's as you read the word leverage. It's like somebody who knows who has like a massive self-awareness, such that they don't have, for example, in school, you don't have to study like 5 days a week, but with you just understanding at what times you work best, and what kind of environment that you really productive at, then you position yourself accordingly, which is you're basically leveraging your abilities in what you know about yourself, right? So when it comes to trading, leverage, it's another way of a broker saying to you, put in the small amount of money, and then you use that leverage. It's an opportunity for you to trade a lot of units of euros with only as little as $1,000 in your trading account. Isn't it that nice, guys? I'm sure it sounds good as you listen, if you are all still with me, right? So if you are still liking the video, please do make sure, guys, to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue producing like videos like this, right? So I know it's one of those complex things, but if you don't understand, keep coming back to this video so that you can understand a little bit more, right? So like I said, that when we buy, simply means that if we have Euro USD, and then we are buying Euro USD and we are using a standard lot, that in other words means you are buying 100,000 units of euros and you are paying $135,100 because of that exchange rate, which was 1.3510, right? So a broker says to you, Bambelo, or anyone, put in a small percentage of these units that you want to buy. Then we are going to allow you to trade 100,000 units of euros to maximize your win or to stand better chances of making a lot of money. And then what that 1:100 means, it also means that you can use up to a standard lot of 1.00, or we are going to allow you to buy up at least to a maximum of 100,000 units of euros, right? But it's not only limited to that, right? There is a leverage of, for example, the last point, 1:500. It simply means that you can use up to a standard lot of 5.00. I would say 1.00 or 100,000 units standard lot wise is the minimum, but it does not mean that there are no standard lots that are more than 1.00, or you are only limited to buying 100,000 units of certain currency. Just that 1.00 or 100,000 units is the base, or is the minimum standard lot wise, right? So 1:500 simply means that the broker is going to allow you to trade it, to buy up to a maximum of 500,000 units of that particular currency. But you only need $5,000 in your trading account for them to allow you to buy 500,000 units of that currency. That is basically what leverage means. That's how it works. Okay. Then moving forward now, you have what is called margin. So sometimes in your MetaTrader 4, you would see that there is something called margin on the last words on your left and the numbers on your right, right? So what is margin? So that minimum amount, okay, right, just to quickly recap. So like I said, that if we want to use a standard lot of 1.00, it simply means that to buy 100,000 units of a currency, you must have at least a minimum of $1,000 or deposit in your trading account. That is what it means. So that is leverage, right? Then what is margin? Then margin becomes that amount of money. It's a name, basically. That $1,000 in the trading account is what is called margin. It's simple as that, right? So what is the advantage of having leverage? So using leverage, trading with leverage can both help increase your potential returns, and it also stands chances of increasing your risk. Hence, it is advisable for you to use proper risk management. It now goes back to what I said, that you can't be a beginner trader, for example, lacking experience, and then with only $1,000 in your trading account, you jump into using a standard lot, because you're going to make mistakes and your account is going to be blown with only 2 trades, for example, especially if you do not use a standard, a stop loss. So at least the nice thing is you have choices, right? It's not only limited to a standard lot. You have your mini lots, you have your micro lots, right? Which is every pip is worth 10 cents per pip. Every pip that you make if you use a mini lot is worth $1 per pip, right? So it's about growing an account. It's about protecting your account. It's about not allowing yourself to blow within a couple of trades, right? So that is what is called margin. And then you have what is called free margin. It's also something that you usually see on your MetaTrader 4 platform, right? So free margin, like, listen carefully now. It is money or funds available in your trading account for a trader to open new positions, right? So what does this mean? This means, for example, if in your trading account you have $1,000 of deposit, right? And then you are buying Euro USD, for example. And then let's say those trades, it's 2 trades, and then those trades or positions are going into profits, let's say of 500, right? So if you look at your free margin on your MetaTrader 4, it simply means that it's the broker in some type of way has already added up that profit with the money available as your balance, right? It's like they already calculated it and they are taking it as if you have already made that 500, which is, it's as if now you are having a balance of $1,500, even though you have not yet closed those positions. Okay, then if you go into your free margin, then there is money there available, or a number there. That number simply means that you are, in other words, having an imaginary 500 or any number of money available in your trading account. So a broker is going to allow you to add to, let's, like I said, you would have two positions. Simply means that you would, with free margin, if you had two positions running and then they are going into profits, it simply means that using free margin, you can add to those positions 3 more, 2 more, 5 more, because now your trades are running into profits and your broker is taking as if you have already made that money that is unavailable, or that money that is running as your profits. So let's now lend you some money so that you can maximize these wins. Okay, so that is what is free margin. And then what happens now if you have something what is called a margin call, or if your margin reaches 0? So going back now, if on this $1,000 account, I have opened 2 positions, and then these positions are running into a negative, or in other words, they are running into losses, what does that mean? If you go into your margin and then it reaches a 0, it simply means that the amount of losses that you can incur, they cannot exceed the money that is available in your trading account. That means if you have a $1,000 account, if your trades go into negative or losses, they must not at least go into a negative such that they go above that money that is unavailable in your trading account, because then that means your account is going to be blown. Then there's no money now available. Because if you're wondering how brokers make money, when you make money, a broker pays you. When you lose money, a broker makes money, right? So that is what is called the margin. Margin can also work in your favor. It can also work against you. Because if you have trades that are running and you have free margin, which is money that is available in your trading account, that means you can add more positions such that your free margin has run out, or till you can't add positions anymore if they are into profit. That is how it can work for you. And then where it can work against you is when you have your trades running into losses, but you keep adding such that the negative now exceed the amount of balance that is in your trading account. That means those trades will be stopped out because there is not much money available in your account to keep those trades running. That is basically what it means. These are the most important, one of the most important aspects of basic Forex trading, right? So I will end it here for today. And please, guys, if you did like or enjoy this video, please comment down in the comment section and then if you didn't understand something, please let me know. I will gladly or willingly clarify it again on my next video. So without any further waste of time, I will cut it here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. And then on the next video, I'll be covering the styles of Forex trading, because there are also styles of trading, right? So we're almost done with this document particularly, but I'm going to cut it here. See you on the next video. Thank you so much. My name is Lindokuhle Bambelo. See you on the next video.